Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Joshua here with SaltyScales.com. So, today is Tuesday. I wanted to throw out a concept to you guys I think will be beneficial to all my viewers. So, what my idea is to do a Tackle Tuesday. So, every Tuesday, talk about some type of fish and tackle. Every Thursday, do a how-to. So, call it How-To Thursday. So, it'll be fishing tutorials, knowledge that'll help benefit you guys. And then on Sundays, do maybe a fishing vlog, entertainment vlog, travel, and also knowledge. I also want to do something special. It's something I think is very unique. What I want to do is in the next few videos, I want to do something, in other words, put something hidden in the video, something that's out of place or that's not right. And whoever spots it first and comments below will be the winner of some sort of free giveaway. It'll be something small, but you'll be the winner of either free tackle, free lures, something like that. So if you like that idea, comment below. But we're gonna start today with this particular video, so I hope you're paying attention. It could come at the beginning of the video, the middle, could come at the very end. So watch the whole video, watch it twice if you had to, give a thumbs up, make sure you turn that notification bell on. And let's go talk with Dean. We're gonna go get some really cool tackle today, and I'm gonna show you some good stuff. Let's do it.
Combo right here.
Lightest combo.
Weighs 11.5 ounces.
That's ridiculous.
So it's around about,
Well, and it's
just over 11 ounces basically. And also there's the tag on there too. So it's basically 11 ounces. That's insanely light. That lake is insanity. Amazing. Lake Toho is one of the best lakes I've ever been on. It's part of the Kissimmee chain. It's amazing and it's easy to fish. Lip there. How often we get it in? It's hard to say with that exact stuff. I mean, it could be a couple weeks. It could be a couple 30. So it would have been 385.19. Discount 308.15.
I appreciate it. Guys,
228.15.
beautiful. Ballistic, going ballistic. It's a nice outfit, guys. I hope you appreciate this Tackle Tuesday.
Alright, sign there please. You want a receipt, I'm sure?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
There's that. Alright, here's the combo. Here's it. You want a real bag for that?
No, I think we're all right.
Okay.
Hey, man, I appreciate it. Hit me up when you get back. We're going to Lake Tahoe. Sir.
That sounds like good. I'm completely serious about it too. I've fished it a couple times.
Let's try to get out there before like the dead dog in summer.
Super hot, yeah. Right now, dude, I guarantee you that, I mean, the fish are pretty much off their beds right now, but it's going to be nice at the top water there. It's just nothing but that thin sawgrass, so you are in the middle of this grass field, and it's just wispy. Oh, it's frogs all day.
Oh boy, that's all what I like to throw, man.
I'll send you a link to a video I did off of there, and my biggest bass out there, I think was 6 or 6.5, something like that.
Be excited. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we got a poor raccoon, looks emaciated, trying to get out of this dumpster here. Let's go see if we can help him. I don't know if this thing's got rabies or anything, but I'm gonna break off a limb, see if we can get him out of there. Gotta save the wildlife sometimes, guys. Watch him. See if he comes out. I don't know, man. He's not doing too well. We gave him a way to escape, guys. He's not doing too good in there. I don't know how long he's been in there. We'll see what happens. At least now he can get out if he wants to. All right, guys, so I went ahead and got this Ballistic 2500D. Just some of the things you might not be familiar with. It has the new ZAION DIGIGEAR, so it's supposed to be even better than the regular DIGIGEAR. It's completely mag sealed like you saw in that demonstration, which Stephanie showed you. And what's really cool, guys, is this 2500 reel has 22 pounds of drag. That is stupid. But the most important aspect of this reel is it's the lightest spinning reel in production according to Dean. 6.3 ounces. It doesn't even feel like I got anything in my hand. Even with a line spooled, got it equipped on this St. Croix Premier rod. Beautiful combo, guys. And this particular reel, guys, 5 to 3 to 1 gear ratio. It's a little slower. Very smooth. Got a very thick bail. Very thick bail. Almost like those Penn Battles, what we're used to seeing that on. Low profile knob, just like on the Fuego. But only features 6 ball bearings, but it's a super smooth reel, guys. I don't know how it's so smooth with only those few ball bearings. It really is, though. Ballistic 2500 LT, and this is a 7-foot medium action, medium light power with a fast tip. So what I'm going to use this for, everything from inshore fishing to peacock bass to clown knives and pompano jigging. You're going to see me using this a lot for jigging. It's going to be my new go-to setup for jigging. Alright, guys, just so you know, this rod's going to run you about $130 retail, and the reel is going to run you another $230. So it's not a cheap combo, but holy smokes. So far, so good. First impressions are really nice. I'll tell you what, I plan to break this baby in this weekend. We got a special trip planned for you. Gonna go over to Osceola Outback, catch some barramundi Monday. So get ready. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Also, guys, make sure you look for that hidden, you know, that little weird thing that happened in the video. It's there, I promise. Comment below when you find it. Also, let me know about what you think on the Tackle Tuesday, How To Thursday, and the, you know, Fishing Sunday. If you like that idea, let me know below. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and until next time, I'll see you on the water.